Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to cancel or hide your property on booking.com. So for you to be able to hide your property or cancel your property on booking.com, you have to go to the admin website, which is admin.booking.com, and sign in into your account using your account credentials. Then after that, at the top of your dashboard, click property or property information, then scroll down or look for this option called property status or open close property, then choose to close or hide. So we can either choose the temporarily close your property or request permanent closure if you don't want to receive booking anymore. Then follow up on the screen step to confirm your action. Then booking may ask for a reason before closing. Then make sure all upcoming reservations are handled before you can close or hide your property. And that's how you can cancel or hide your property on booking.com. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.